Alright, I'm going to show you how you can share YouTube videos from your phone. I'm using an Android phone here, but the process is almost identical regardless of what phone you're using. So first you would go on YouTube and find a video. You can either use the YouTube app or just navigate to youtube.com in your web browser, doesn't matter. Then find a video you want to share. Let's say I have this video here about national parks and I want to share it with someone. When you have the video open on your phone, look for this little arrow that's pointing to the right. On my phone, it's next to those thumbs up and thumbs down buttons. So that's the share button, and I'll tap it, and here's our share menu, which has different options for sharing the video. You'll usually see suggested messaging apps for sharing the video, although the exact options might slightly vary. So I could tap messages, for example, and then within my messages, I could pick the recipient or multiple recipients that I want to send the video to. You'll also notice when I moved out of the YouTube app, my video player is now in this floating window that could sometimes block part of the app you're using to share the video. I can tap, hold, and move the floating video, because here, for example, it was covering this button here that I need in order to send the video out. So move that video player out of the way if needed, and then tap Next. Now it takes me to my conversation with my friend. If that floating video is still bothering you, you can always tap the video and tap the little X to close the video player. We'll do that just to make this easier to see. Now I'm in my conversation in the messaging app, and you're going to see a link like this in the message field. This might look a little cryptic. It doesn't have the video name on it because this is just the website link for that particular video on YouTube. So that looks good to me. I'm going to tap the send button and it sends the video to my friend. I'm using the Messages app on Android to send the video, but the exact buttons will of course look a little different if you're on an iPhone or if you're using a different messaging app for sharing the video. After sending, a lot of times the messaging app is going to load a little preview or thumbnail for that video. Looks like I can just tap here to load it, but on my friend's phone, the video will usually show up like this without having to tap anything. So he will see the thumbnail and a little preview of the video itself. If we go back to the YouTube app, I can show you another way to share the same video. So we're going to tap the little share button again, and then you could just repeat the same thing for any app that you use for messaging. Or what you can also do is to copy a link. When I do that, it'll do the same thing I showed earlier, but with more of a manual process. Now I have copied the link to this video on my clipboard, and now we can leave YouTube and even close the video. Then I can manually navigate anywhere I want. Let's say I want to email this video to someone. I could go to my email app or text messages, doesn't matter, and then if I press and hold the text cursor, meaning where you would type the text, I can choose Paste, and the link to the video will be added to my message. If you want to add text to your message, you can do that too. Just make sure you're writing the text on a separate line and not changing the link we just pasted. Even if you change one letter on the link, it's not going to work. So this is the manual way of copying a link and sending it out. I could do the same thing with my text messages, or on Facebook, Instagram, whatever. I'll go to my messages, open up a conversation, and here I could press and hold the text input field and just paste the link there, and it's going to send out the same link to him. Now, I want to show you one more cool thing about sharing these videos. Let's go back on YouTube, and this is useful especially if you have a long video and you want to share a specific part of the video. I can tap that share button, and then I can turn on this timestamp toggle. This is going to share the video right where I was when I hit that share button. So in this case, the link would now take the viewer straight into the 26-minute mark around 37 seconds. Doesn't matter if I send it directly to an app here, or if I choose to copy the link and send it out manually. When I send out the video, if you closely look at the link, it has a little timestamp written to it. The thumbnail still looks the same as the other ones, but if they tap this one and go to the video, it'll start playing from the specific part where I shared the video. Whereas the other ones, if they tap the link, it would start from the beginning. And that is how you share a YouTube video on your phone. Click that like button if this helped you and subscribe for more easy guides like this. Thanks all, until next time.